Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the wheel chrome deletes for the 2022 Toyota Corolla. This wheel specifically fits for the rim size 18. So this is how it looks before the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use a gloss black material, that way it matches the look of the rim. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the video. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we clean the rim. So just apply slip solution onto your microfiber towel and just start cleaning any contaminants or any dirt that the rim might have. And we want to make sure we clean mostly the chrome part of the rim. So to start off this installation, start aligning it from the top piece first, making sure you're giving yourself enough room to cover the chrome. And if you need to lift and adjust, you can. Just make sure not to tear the film. And then just help it tack down. And then once you get towards the end, all we're going to do is hold this film here, stretch it just a bit like if you're holding a tab, and help it lay down like that. And just like that. And afterwards we will apply heat to help the adhesive activate and remove any small fingers that are around the film. And then you would just rinse and repeat the same steps that we did for this section to the remaining sections here. Okay, and the last thing to do once you finish installing each section is just installing the last remaining piece to cover this portion of the chrome. So just align it and make sure you cover everything, and that's pretty much it. And you just rinse and repeat the same process for the remaining ones. Okay, and once you finish installing everything, the last thing you do is just post heat all around to secure the film onto the rim, and then you're done. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the chrome deletes for the rims for the 2022 Toyota Corolla. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.